Unleash your inner chef. Quick and easy cooking hacks for busy lives. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unleashing your inner chef with these quick and easy cooking hacks. Ready to ditch the takeout menus and whip up some amazing meals in minutes? We're diving into the world of quick cooking hacks and easy recipes that will transform your kitchen game no matter your skill level. First things first, let's get personal. To give you the best recipe recommendations, I need a little intel. What flavors make your taste buds sing? Are you craving Italian comfort food, spicy Mexican fiesta, or maybe some zen-like Asian cuisine? Got any dietary needs or preferences? Vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, low-carb, you name it, we've got you covered. And most importantly, how much time do you realistically have to cook? 15 minutes? 30? An hour? Let's find recipes that fit your schedule. What ingredients are already hanging out in your fridge and pantry? Knowing what you have on hand helps us create magic with minimal effort. And finally, are we talking breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack attack? Let's conquer those cravings together. All right, let's get cooking. Here are some lightning-fast meal ideas that will have you saying, wow, I made this in no time. Get ready to impress yourself and maybe your friends. One-pot pasta perfection. Imagine this: pasta, sauce, veggies, all cooked together in one glorious pot. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. It's a weeknight dinner dream come true. Sheet pan sensations. Toss your favorite protein, chicken, shrimp, tofu, you name it, and veggies with some seasonings, spread it on a sheet pan, and roast. Sheet pan fajitas, honey garlic shrimp, and broccoli, the possibilities are endless. Stir-fry frenzy, quick, versatile, and packed with flavor. Grab some pre-cut veggies, your protein of choice, and a delicious sauce. Chicken and broccoli stir-fry is a classic for a reason. Taco tostada. Time: pre-cooked beans, seasoned ground meat, shredded chicken, load them onto tortillas or crispy tostadas for a fiesta in your mouth. Add your favorite toppings and you're good to go. Quesadilla quickie. Need a super fast meal? Quesadillas are your answer. Cheese, beans, veggies, salsa, customize them to your heart's content. Pasta with pesto power. Cook some pasta and toss it with store-bought or homemade pesto. Add cherry tomatoes, grilled chicken, or shrimp for an extra burst of flavor. Simple, elegant, and oh so delicious. Avocado Alfredo awesomeness. A creamy, healthy twist on classic Alfredo. Avocado replaces butter or oil for a guilt-free indulgence. You won't believe how good this is. Microwave red curry. Poached salmon. Yes, you can cook salmon in the microwave. This quick and easy method delivers perfectly cooked, flavorful salmon in minutes. Black bean tostada bonanza, a 5-ingredient vegetarian meal that's ready in under 30 minutes, healthy, satisfying, and budget-friendly. Shrimp scampi sensation, a classic dish that can be made in just 30 minutes. Garlic, butter, white wine, shrimp, what's not to love? Mexican beef en rice skillet fiesta, a 1-skillet meal with spiced ground beef, rice, beans, and cheese. Perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. Chicken tikka masala korma express. Craving Indian food but short on time? Quick versions of these classics can be made in under 30 minutes. Quick pizza dough magic, homemade pizza in a flash. This quick pizza dough recipe will have you enjoying fresh, delicious pizza in no time. Butterbean and chorizo stew comfort, a quick and easy family recipe that's packed with flavor and warmth, perfect for a chilly evening. Air fryer adventures. Air fryers are your secret weapon for quick and crispy meals. Pork chops, meatballs, fish fingers, sweet corn fritters, the possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about some game-changing cooking hacks that will save you time and effort in the kitchen. Get ready to level up your cooking skills. Garlic peeling power. Cut the tops off garlic cloves and microwave for 20-30 seconds. The skin will pop right off. or smash a clove with the flat side of a knife for easy peeling. Brown sugar savior, store brown sugar with a few marshmallows in a sealed container to keep it soft and prevent it from hardening. Lemon juice boost, microwave lemons for 7-10 seconds before juicing to get more juice out of them. Tongs, Triumph. Use tongs for most cooking tasks instead of spatulas for better control and precision. Salt and acid secret. If a dish tastes okay, but not great, it probably needs salt and maybe some vinegar or olive oil. These 2 ingredients can work wonders. Preheat pan pro tip. Always preheat your pan before adding oil to ensure even cooking and prevent sticking. Freeze flat. Fantastic. Freeze soups, stews, and ground meat flat in freezer bags for faster freezing and defrosting. Aluminum defrosting ace. Place meat on an aluminum sheet tray to defrost it faster. Ginger peeling genius. Scrape the skin off ginger with a spoon instead of a knife or peeler for easy and efficient peeling. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner chef and start creating delicious, easy meals that fit your busy lifestyle. Ready to take the next step? Here's your call to action. Subscribe to our channel for more quick cooking tips, delicious recipes, and kitchen inspiration. Share this video with your friends who need some cooking motivation. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite quick meal idea or cooking hack. Let's get cooking and make every meal a delicious adventure.